YouTube, hello lovelies, you're on the air with Vanity is Fair One, #1 stunner. Okay, so this just came in the mail today. It is a Kurt Geiger bag. I don't know why they have it packaged this way. Normally my Kurt Geiger bags will come in a box. This one they just threw in a bag. And the backstory on this bag is that over the weekend, the Memorial Day weekend, it was on the website, but it kept selling out because I put it in my cart 2 or 3 times and it kept selling out. So that following business day, which was Tuesday, I checked it, it was available, put it back in the cart, checked out. Now it's here at the crib. So let's do a sneak peek. Hopefully it's fire. Let's just see. Oh my God, you guys. Are you looking at that? Y'all already know this is denim. This is just a sneak peek. Let's go a little further. Are you looking at this bag? It's just glistening. This is the denim Battersea XXL. No wonder why it kept selling out. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm gonna feature this in a haul, but I was just so excited to see this bag because I played a cat and mouse game to get it, and it, look at that. OMG, you guys. Look at how it's just shining in it. Like, the gold is playing off the light so well. It's just, girl. And then these leather handles. Nice contrast. All denim. Or denim. All denim. And like I said, the Battersea. Okay. The Battersea, honey. Yes. Ooh. I said ooh. Yeah. Ooh. 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 This is so cute. You already know this is not going back. Girl, look. Look at that plaque. Okay, it's just the gold. The gold accent is just reflecting the light so beautifully right now. This is all denim, dark denim. And I'm gonna do a haul on it, but anyway, I just had to do this for now. Tag attached. Girl. That's beautiful. I think she's gorgeous. Okay, so it's in this box. That's my Addie. But anyway, it's in this box. I'm going to open this one up at a later date and time. But girl, I need to do a XXL collection. And then I also have one more. I'm telling you, I'm grabbing up these XXLs that I like. The other Kensington that I took back, that monochromatic black one, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. But the leather handle, y'all ain't ready for this one? Y'all ain't ready for this one. Are y'all ready for this one? Geiger.